You know what's funny? The biggest comebacks don't happen when people believe in you.
Apple lost this race already.
Apple missed AI.
Apple Siri is just a shit now.
They happen when everyone has already given up on you. And no company knows that better than Apple.
AI-powered Siri.
Siri is
With
AI.
all
New Siri.
A few years ago, Siri wasn't competing with AI. It was surviving memes. Every new AI launch made Siri look older. ChatGPT shocked the world. Gemini kept improving, and people had already decided Apple had lost. Honestly, it looked true. Because while everyone else was moving forward, Apple was unusually quiet.
So can investors expect to hear about AI plans?
But here's the interesting part. Everyone was watching the race.
Max Verstappen has the power! Max Verstappen has the lead!
Apple was watching the finish line. Most companies asked one question: how do we make AI smarter? Apple asked a completely different one: how do we make AI invisible?
We do see AI as a long-term transformational wave, as one that's going to affect our industry and of course our society for decades to come. We want to get it right. There's no need to rush out with the wrong features and the wrong product just to be first. We ultimately want to build the right products for our customers.
Because think about it. Nobody wakes up and
I
says,
don't think anyone was saying, gosh,
I can't wait to use AI today. You just want your phone to understand you. And that's exactly where Apple placed its bet.
there are going to be places where hopefully Siri is a huge and maybe ultimately indispensable part of your daily routine.
Instead of building another chatbot,
It's important to realize our strategy is a little bit different than some other people's, right? Our idea of Apple Intelligence is using generative AI to be an enabling technology for features across our operating system. Products that you use every day make the features you use every day better. Not even have to think about. There's no destination, there's no app called Apple Intelligence, which is different than a chatbot, which is again what I think some people have kind of conflated a bit, like where's your chatbot? We didn't do that. What we decided was that we would give you access to one through ChatGPT because we think that was the best one, but our idea is to integrate across the operating system, make it features that I certainly use every day.
Apple wanted Siri to understand your personal context, work naturally across your apps, help you complete everyday tasks without forcing you to leave the experience.
Siri is the personal assistant that helps you get things done just by asking. Still, we know there are times when you expect more from Siri. So we've rebuilt Siri with powerful AI at the core. And today we're introducing an entirely new version of Siri. This includes personal context understanding, app actions, on-screen awareness, image understanding, and access to broad world knowledge. Let's see how Siri can use awareness of what's on your screen. Where is this exactly? Here, Siri can identify the location of this beautiful shot along the Santa Cruz coast.
And that's when I realized something. Apple wasn't actually late. Maybe everyone else confused speed with strategy.
On the Kemmel Straight, and he's got the inside line, and look at the speed from Charles Leclerc to take second position. Max Verstappen goes from first to third.
Because in the end, history rarely remembers who arrived first. It remembers who changed the